We're going to take a look at February's DIY Design It Yourself Flexi Clip, how to do it, how to order it, and how to size it. So here we go. You're going to head on over to LILLAROSE.biz/CINDIMOORE. You can choose between Francesca, which is a beautiful flower, or a heart centerpiece. If you choose Francesca, you're just going to click Francesca. It's that simple. Then you're going to choose your bead style. If you choose clear, this is the one you're going to get. You've just got an extra little clear bead on there. Just that simple. If you choose pink, you're going to get this pretty flexi with some extra pink beading on it. Just a little extra pop of color for you. And if you decide on the silver tone, just click that one and you'll get this simple silver beaded flexi band. And guess what? That's it. They'll put it together for you, and now all you have to do is pick your size. We'll go over that in just a second. Did you know that you could choose left or right-handed design? Don't think too hard about it. If you're left-handed, choose left. If you're right-handed, choose right. It's just going to make it easier for you to put your flexi clip on or off. Now add to bag, keep shopping, and you can check out all the other designs. If you love the Francesca, type that into your search. I'll show you that in just a second. We're just going to scroll through. There's some bobbies with that same design. Every product that you open is going to give you a few styling ideas and some great pictures. On your phone, you can hard press those. We'll look at that when we open up another one. Rhonda is one of my favorites. There's a new hairband with that. I have the Flexi Flip. That's the only one that I have. But here you go. You can hard press to open up those photos on your iPhone. Not sure how it works on Android. Probably the same thing. But there you can see all of the different products with those same beads. This is a jasper stone. Absolutely beautiful. So you can get all these different matching accessories. And with the hairbands, you can choose your color and size of your band. If you have questions about that, let me know. I'm not going to spend too much time on that right now. So let's go up here to the search, and we're going to type in Rhonda. And that's how you're going to find all of those different products quickly and easily. There's the hairband, sticks, the flip, the swerve, and you can get which ones you want all together. Sometimes those are going to be sold in sets, and that makes it lots more fun. There's a nice graphic of all of the images together. Now let's go back and look at this sizing video.
When sizing for a flexi, a good place to start is to measure the size of your ponytail either by its thickness or by the length around its base. Once you know the flexi clip size that's right for your ponytail, your clip size will range from a size up, for bundling all your hair up, to a size below, when you want to hold an amount of hair that's less than your ponytail. Here are some factors to consider when buying a flexi clip for yourself or as a gift. First, think about hair type. Is the hair very kinky curly, wavy, or is it really pin straight? Second, hair texture. Is the hair cuticle baby fine and slippery or coarse and thick in feel? Third, length. Is the hair short, shoulder length, or past the waist? Depending on hair type and texture, length can affect how much hair is bundled into a bun or any kind of updo. And lastly, hairstyle. How do you wear your hair up? Most women do a variation of a ponytail, half up, down, or a bun. The flexi clip comes in 7 sizes that cover every hair type, texture, and length. It all depends on the size that fits you just right.
I hope you found that video helpful. I always suggest, when in doubt, size down. Everybody thinks they need a bigger size than they do. Feel free to reach out to me if you need help with sizing. I'd be glad to help you. We do have a generous exchange and return policy, so you shouldn't have any trouble with that at all. Here are some of our new releases and some styling ideas with those. Lots of links in the video description, so you should be able to get to what you need. Don't forget that this month you get a surprise gift with your $50 purchase, and I always offer my customers a $17 credit towards their next purchase when you spend $50, so that's a double bonus. It's always fun to see what you get in that surprise purchase. Thank you for watching, and thank you as always for your support. My family and I appreciate you.